Hey, good morning. So today in science, we're going to learn a little bit about Microsoft Excel in your online um, documents, Office 365. So go to your portal and let's hit Microsoft Office 365. And inside Office 365, go ahead and click on Excel. And I want to start a new blank workbook. One thing in here, let's go ahead and first thing, let's label it. Let's not leave it book whatever. And we'll just call it Intro to Graphing. Now, the cool thing is once you add the data, your graphing is pretty simple. Couple things to remember is if I highlight, okay, let's just click and drag, then I can merge those cells and you're typing in each cell, use the arrows to move over or click in each cell. Um, Once you have your data in, I just plugged in the Come Fly With Me data. Right now for practice, we're just using whatever data you want, maybe 3 or 4 items, and of course you need at least 3 trials. Now once you have the data in, then it's pretty easy to set up your graphs. So I'll take these off real quick and show you the 2 ways. The first way is highlight, click in the first box, hold and drag, and then go to insert a column. And so here we have our copy paper, our cardstock, our notebook, and our newspaper. And going up this column, of course, is the number in meters. Now, it doesn't say that, so how do we put in our titles? Because we need to have those titles. Well, we'll click on chart title, centered above, okay? And then do the same with the axis. You have the horizontal, which is, and it pops it in types of paper. And then again, the axis vertical, you can have it rotated or vertical, you pick, you can choose, you can change colors. And these were distance in meters. So again, not too bad. If you want to try highlighting the trials without the newspaper, that can always work. We can also make a column, just slide it over. The hard part is when you're putting your information in. So the blue is of course your trial 1, 2, 3, and 4, but we're not knowing what 1, 2, 3, 4 is. So I like this when it comes with a copy, cardstock, notebook, and note paper. So we'll try to work on this a little bit. Refer to the video if you have any trouble, and good luck.